Hi, it's Dr. Ken Anderson at the Anderson Center for Hair. I'm back from the 46th Annual Congress of the Italian Society of Hair Science and Restoration. Check it out. At this year's conference, I was an invited faculty member. I gave a lecture that discussed how hair loss goes beyond just genetics and why it's so important to take a holistic approach to hair loss treatment. It was an exciting and rewarding opportunity to present to some of the best and brightest minds in the hair restoration industry. Of course, I couldn't visit Italy without enjoying all the shopping, adventure, local culture, and beauty that Milan has to offer. I'm looking forward to next year's conference.